Hi everyone, welcome back to Fix Your Apps. In today's video, we'll show you how to turn off the ear speaker on iPhone using simple, effective methods. Now let's get started. During a phone call, just tap the speaker button on your screen. This moves the audio from the ear speaker to the loudspeaker at the bottom of your iPhone. It's quick, easy, and perfect if you want to avoid using the ear speaker for calls. If you want a more permanent solution, head over to your iPhone's settings. Scroll down and tap on Accessibility to open audio settings. Now tap Audio and Visual, located under the Hearing section. Look for the Balance slider and move it completely to the right, setting the value to 1.0. This redirects all sound to the right audio channel, effectively turning off the ear speaker. To make sure it's working, try playing a stereo test video or any audio only. The bottom speaker should produce sound. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Fix Your Apps for more helpful iPhone tips.